catch kilos and then pass it.
And here is Patama, who made this brilliant aggressive move on the last lap. Oh, block pass on Carpe going through 4. We might be on course for history here. Never has an Indonesian rider at any level finished on a World Championship podium. History beckoning for the 17-year-old Vader Patama. And now that we're watching that special moment in Grand Prix history, this was the key move. He made a couple of really hard moves into that turn 4. That was on Carpe late on. And at that stage, Vader Patama was dreaming of the podium, but he's proof that dreams do come true. Honda Team Asia.